Confidence requires a decision that you are worthy to feel valuable, stable, and secure to yourself, from yourself at all times. It's a decision that no other feeling will do. It's a decision that there is no person, no agreement, no opinion, no thought, no relationship, no attachment that will get in the way of this good feeling of well-being, relaxation, and security. This is what confidence is. And because it relies on you making this choice for yourself with no evidence, no quantifiers, no markers of success, it can trick people. But what I'm saying to you is that you can actually own it right now. You don't have to wait. You don't have to wait for results. You don't have to look and compare yourself to people who you think are confident. You don't have to emulate. You don't have to do any of those things. What I'm encouraging you to do right here and right now is to choose yourself. Choose the feeling of security and stability and love, and make it a non-negotiable in your life.